Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Ultrasonic is probably one of the most sought-after devices for achieving a deeper, more thorough clean for your skin, and today we're diving deep into what makes the Aenro Ultrasonic stand out from the crowd. This innovative gadget promises to revolutionize your skincare routine by utilizing high-frequency sound waves to exfoliate, cleanse, and even help with product absorption, potentially leaving your complexion looking clearer and more radiant than ever before. Number 5. Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. Discover a revolutionary way to achieve a cleaner, healthier smile. This advanced oral irrigator is designed for your ultimate convenience and effective dental care. With 4 distinct modes and 11 pressure settings, you can tailor your cleaning experience to your exact needs. Achieve personalized oral hygiene like never before. Its cordless and portable design makes it perfect for on-the-go use, while the IPX7 waterproof rating ensures safe operation even in the shower. Take your oral care routine anywhere. Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable battery that keeps it ready for use whenever you need it. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and hello to uninterrupted cleaning. Equipped with 5 specialized tips, it effectively cleans braces, reaches deep between teeth, and ensures thorough oral hygiene. It's your all-in-one solution for a sparkling smile. Whether you're traveling or seeking a deeper clean, this device is your perfect companion. Experience superior dental care that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. What we like. This water dental flosser offers a high level of customization with its multiple modes and pressure settings. If you're looking for a thorough and adaptable oral cleaning experience, this is a great choice. It's particularly suitable for those who want to maintain excellent dental hygiene on the go or have specific cleaning needs. What people say. The Aenro Ultrasonic has a very sleek and modern design that looks great in any bathroom. It is very easy to use, with simple controls and clear instructions. The ultrasonic cleaning function is very effective at removing dirt and grime from jewelry and other small items. Number 4. GUGUG 4-Mode Skin Scrubber. Experience a complete skincare routine with this multifunctional device. It effectively removes blackheads and dirt from deep within your skin, making every use feel like a mini spa day. Achieve deep cleansing with the cleaning and Ion Plus modes, then enhance product absorption with Ion Dash. Finally, use the lifting mode to complete your routine and massage your skin. This rechargeable device features a 5-minute auto-off to prevent overuse and an anti-touch switch for safety. It's conveniently rechargeable via USB, reducing battery waste. For optimal results, use on moist skin and avoid prolonged contact with one area. Consistent use 2 to 3 times per week for 2 months will significantly improve your skincare. This pore cleanser is a practical and thoughtful gift for anyone. Suitable for both face and back, it helps refresh the skin and is perfect for any special occasion. What we like. This skin scrubber provides a comprehensive skincare routine with its various modes designed for deep cleansing and lifting. If you're seeking a spa-like facial treatment at home and want to effectively tackle blackheads and improve product absorption, this is the one for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to elevate their skincare regimen with minimal effort. What people say. The Aenro Ultrasonic Cleaner has a large capacity tank, allowing it to clean multiple items at once. Its powerful ultrasonic waves effectively remove dirt and grime from jewelry, watches, and other small objects. The device features a simple one-button operation, making it easy to use for everyone. Number 3. KUNPHY Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Experience a powerful clean with 46,000 Hz of high-frequency sound waves. This device uses ultrasonic technology to reach every corner, dislodging even stubborn dirt from your valuables. Cleaning has never been easier. With a simple one-touch control and a 3-minute auto timer, you can achieve sparkling results without constant supervision. Enjoy a quiet cleaning experience, operating at less than 45 dB. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, ensuring your items stay clean wherever you go. This device is perfect for a wide range of items, including rings, necklaces, glasses, makeup brushes, and delicate jewelry. Its 350 milliliters capacity handles various sizes with ease. We stand by our product with a 1-year quality commitment. Our customer service is ready to assist you within 24 hours for a seamless experience. What we like. This jewelry cleaner offers powerful ultrasonic cleaning with simple, one-touch operation. If you have delicate jewelry, glasses, or dentures that need a thorough yet gentle clean, this machine is perfect. Its quiet operation makes it a convenient addition to any home, ensuring your valuables sparkle without disruption. What people say. It cleaned my jewelry, made my wedding ring shine bright, easy to use, great quality, design made it easy to use, and I even cleaned my glasses. The ultrasonic cleaner is compact enough to fit in a small area and store away. Design is simple and easy to use. Works great. My husband's Invisalign were previously cleaned by hand with a toothbrush and water, but over time, the trays felt more and more dirty and accumulated dirt somehow. With this, they feel a lot cleaner and even save me the trouble cleaning them by hand. Number 2. CREWORKS 22L Digital Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine. Tired of stubborn dirt and grime? This powerful cleaning machine tackles even the most intricate parts, ensuring a thorough clean every time. From delicate jewelry to heavy-duty machine parts, this cleaner handles it all. It effectively removes rust and tarnish, restoring items to their original shine. Operating this cleaner is a breeze. Its intuitive digital panel allows you to easily set the cleaning time and temperature with just a simple touch. Built with a durable stainless steel tank, this cleaner is designed for longevity. It also features comfortable handles and a secure cover for ease of use. Transporting and cleaning up is made simple. With convenient inset handles and a built-in drain valve, maintenance is hassle-free. What we like. This is a heavy-duty ultrasonic cleaning machine designed for a wide range of items, from delicate jewelry to machine parts. If you deal with stubborn grime, rust, or tarnish on a regular basis and need a powerful, large-capacity solution, this machine is your best bet. Its integrated heater and digital controls offer precise and efficient cleaning for demanding tasks. What people say. This is big enough I can fit my whole rack of 4 carbs from my 1980 Yamaha XS1100 in it. Which is absurdly fantastic. I've used it to clean many items like firearms, intakes, dirty or rusted hardware, car bracketry. This little cleaner is great. This is easy to use, has a high heat range with perfect temp control. I use it to clean carbs and it works great. My test gun is a Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm that hasn't been cleaned for years. I used Zep citrus degreaser with this machine, and about a 6:1 water to degreaser ratio. I ran each batch of parts for 10 minutes in the solution I had mixed and heated. The results are amazing. All the parts were spotless. Number 1. CREWORKS Professional Jewelry Cleaning Machine. Tired of stubborn dirt and grime? Our powerful cleaning machine effortlessly tackles even the most intricate and hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Achieve professional quality cleaning results right at home. This versatile sonic cleaner quickly removes tarnish and stains from a variety of items, making them look like new. Forget complicated setups. With its intuitive digital controls, you can easily set the temperature and cleaning time. Your items will be sparkling clean in just minutes. Constructed with durable 304 stainless steel, this machine is built for years of reliable use. Non-skid feet keep it stable, and built-in fuses provide protection against power surges. Designed with your convenience in mind, this cleaner features inset handles for easy and smooth transportation. Moving it around is a breeze. What we like. This professional-grade ultrasonic cleaner is perfect for a variety of household items, offering a balance of power and convenience. If you need a reliable machine for cleaning jewelry, glasses, retainers, or even small tools, this 2L model with its heater and digital controls is an excellent choice. It provides professional cleaning results for everyday items with ease of use. What people say. This is big enough I can fit my whole rack of 4 carbs from my 1980 Yamaha XS1100 in it. Which is absurdly fantastic. I've used it to clean many items like firearms, intakes, dirty or rusted hardware, car bracketry. This little cleaner is great. This is easy to use, has a high heat range with perfect temp control. I use it to clean carbs and it works great. My test gun is a Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm that hasn't been cleaned for years. I used Zep citrus degreaser with this machine, and about a 6:1 water to degreaser ratio. I ran each batch of parts for 10 minutes in the solution I had mixed and heated. The results are amazing. All the parts were spotless. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.